Okay guys, this is good news. I will open multiplayer on the third update. On the third update, I will troll gun shop's owner. And owner will be mad. And they will ban me. Okay? For a good YouTuber, I will do this trend. Because all of you guys will notice this. If you search gun shops owner trolling mighty gun, and if you search that, you will be crying, because if you see it, you will be dead, because it's only search, bro. Goodbye. Wee.